So today we're going to unbox Microlab M-200BT Platinum. So basically it's kind of old model, but I didn't find any particular review, especially on that box. As you can see, it's quite new. So I'm going to unbox it, and the price is a bit lower. It's not that expensive. It cost me 4,600 BDT, which means more or less 50 or $50, I guess. Yeah, it's like $60. So it have two speakers, 1 and 2, as well as it have Bluetooth speaker, and there is the bus, the subwoofer. So we're gonna check that later after I set up, and then I'm going to listen to music and you guys can see how it works. So yeah. Alright, so basically I set up my speaker like this. This is a beat box, on top of that it's the Bluetooth, and there's two speakers, and I'm going to listen to music. Actually the beat is super good, but when I play the music you listen from my phone's beat, so you can't really understand. Anyway, I'm going to listen to one of these, so yeah. So I'm using 49 volume and the middle range of my bit, and listening this music, see how it sounds like. So it's actually very unclear for you guys that you cannot feel the beat, but the beat is absurd compared to other speakers. So yeah, that's basically it in this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.